Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Apps and Notifications right away. Then click on App Twin and click on the gray sweater next to one of your apps that you wish to clone. Then wait. And now when I go back, as you can see, my Facebook app was successfully cloned. In order to delete this clone, go back to the same settings, and this time select blue sweater next to your app. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up to delete it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!